This 2024 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 370BL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This new Forest River is 42 feet 7 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Coronado interior, sleeps 10, leveling jacks, air conditioning, water heater, oven, Colorado Detector, LP detector, refrigerator, stove top burner, smoke detector, awning, and 57 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, kitchen island, loft, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 370BL is 11,465 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.